Is your partner keeping you up all night with their snoring? Didn't we did an episode on that previously? What if you do not want to look funny for plaster on your face? If you haven't watched the episode, click the link in the description box below. Today, we have a follow-up solution for you. Welcome to Buddha Asians, where we speak the truth and nothing but the truth in our product review. This is not a sponsored post, but even if you pay us to do so, we will still tell the truth. This product is sold in Watsons and is called the Snorwell Spray Snoring Relief. Today, we are going to put this product to the test. Let's see if it holds its claims. This is my friend Ray, who will be the test subject. Let's start with the first test. Ray will be recording himself sleeping with the Snorwell spray. And here are the results. As you can see, the relief effect didn't last through the whole night. Therefore, the claim is a false. False! So, for the second claim, we asked Ray to document the sound level of his snore with these screen recordings. Here are the results. As you can see, there's a significant difference in both tests. Results? True! Last but not least, the product claims that it is pleasant tasting. So we got Ray and 3 others to try the product and give us their feedback. Did they like it? The majority find the taste pleasant, so it holds its claim. True. So for $29.95, is it really worth it? Let's put it this way. If 30 bucks can reduce snoring and avoid looking like an idiot, then this product is for you. Verdict? Buddha approved. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our review. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Buddha reviews. This is Reef signing off from Buddha Asia.